Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a PDF file using your mobile phone in just a few simple steps. This works on both iPhone and Android, and it's super convenient. You can scan documents and send them as PDFs right from your phone. We'll be using the Google Drive app for this. If you don't have it yet, head over to your App Store or Play Store and download it. You probably already have it installed. Once you've got it, open the Google Drive app. Click the plus icon at the bottom right, and then click Scan. Now position your camera over the document. It should automatically detect the edges. Once it scans, you can choose to scan another page if needed. When you're done, you'll now see the scanned PDF, along with its name and save location. Click Upload to finish. Once it's uploaded, you'll see the file appear in your drive. Click on it to open, and if you want to send it, click the three dots in the top right and choose Share. Or send a copy. And that's it. You've successfully created a PDF using just your phone. If this video helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.